What's up YouTube? So for today we will be unboxing the wireless earphones which is Soundcore by Anker Liberty Lite. So as usual we will be going through the box first. So the front says here ultra slim, and then graphene enhanced sound, up to 12-hour playtime, and the wireless function is powered by Bluetooth, of course. Here we have the side of the box, says here powerful sound, and it shows a person doing push-ups. And here we have the rear view, universal comfort fit, up to 3.5 hour playtime, 12 plus with charging case. So basically the earphones themselves can last up to 3.5 hours, but with a charger 12 plus. So you can't really use the earphones continuously. You will have to charge them in between. Then we have Bluetooth 5, then IPX5 sweat resistance. So these earphones are perfect if you go to the gym or you run every morning or evening, afternoon. What's in the box? It says here Soundcore Liberty Lite, the earphones themselves, then the charging case, extra small, medium, large ear tips, extra small, medium, large ear wings, and then the micro USB cable which is used to charge the charging case. Push and go effortless setup. Then the bottom of the box, made in China. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. This device may not cause harmful interference, and this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Yeah, we have some copyright in here, etc. Okay, so let's proceed to opening it. Charging case. You have here the charging case, and then inside the earphones. Okay, so this 3 bar here indicates that the charging case is at 100%. If it only lights up to 2 bars, then it is between 30 to 70% charge, and then if it's only 1, then it indicates that it is less than 30% power. And let's take a closer look at the earphones. It's not focusing. And there. So basically you can charge them by putting them here. Okay, let's take a closer look at the content of the box. Here we have the micro USB cable which is used to charge it. Here, the power. This is where you insert it. And then, what do you call this again? The ear tips and the ear wings. So this will depend whatever is suitable for your ear, or rather which fits on your ears. Then here we have the user manual. Comes with different languages. Then here we have a guide for wearing it. Choose the ear tips and jackets that fit your ears the best. Insert the earbuds into the inner canal of your ears, turn and lock. Then, as I've said earlier, for charging, open or close the charging case to activate the LED battery indicator on the charging case. These are the indicator for the power. I've already said it earlier. Then earbud status indicator, flashing red once in every 1 minute. Slow battery, then steady white, it's charging. Then if it's off, then it is fully charged. To preserve battery lifespan, fully charged at least once every 45 days. Turn on and off. Earbuds switch on automatically when taking them out of the charging case. To manually switch on the earbuds, press the multifunction button on both your earbuds for once. Hold on. Multifunction button. You can press this one. This can be pressed. Earbuds switch automatically when placing them back in the charging case. To manually switch them off, press and hold the multifunction button on both your earbuds for 5 seconds. And here we have how to pair them. Enter pairing mode when earbuds are switched on. Rapidly flashing white pairing mode, slow flashing white connected to a device. True wireless stereo connection earbuds. And here we have the controls. So by pressing it while the music is playing, you can play or pause it. Press and hold for 1 second the multifunction button on the right earbud. So this is for the right earbud. Next track. Press and hold for 1 second the left earbud, previous track. Control volume via the connected device, volume up or down. Where is it? Check. So of course you can also use the said earphones for answering calls. It has a built-in microphone. Press 1 to answer and call. Press and hold for 1 second, reject call. Press the multifunction button on the right earbud. Put current call on hold and answer incoming call. Press and hold for 1 second. Switch between held call and active call. Or transfer a call between headphones and mobile phone. Slow flashing white on a call, slow flashing white incoming call for the right earbud. So basically that's it. And here we have important safety information, hearing safety, etc. in different languages. So those are the contents of the box. So I'll give you a last view of the device. So these are the ones that you can replace. And this one too. With this. Let's check it. Yeah, these are the ear tips. then these are the ear wings sample. So yeah, you will have to replace them according to your ear size. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.